You're using Canva's magic resize feature completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of work every single week. I'm about to show you the hidden tricks that 90% of users never discover. Here's the problem most people face with magic resize. You create this perfect Instagram post, spend 20 minutes getting the colors just right, the text perfectly positioned, and then you realize you need it for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and your email newsletter. So what do? You manually recreate the same design 4 different times, repositioning every single element. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it's completely unnecessary. According to Canva's 2024 User Behavior Report, the average user spends 43 minutes recreating the same design across different platforms. That's nearly 3 hours per week just on repetitive design work. But Magic Resize can cut that time down to literally 30 seconds. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, open your existing design in Canva. I'm using this Instagram post I created for a coffee shop promotion. You'll see the original design in the Canva editor with all your elements perfectly positioned. Now here's step 1 that most people miss. Before you even touch Magic Resize, click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar. Look for any images or graphics that might be too close to the edges of your current design. Magic Resize works best when your key elements have some breathing room. If your main text or logo is right at the edge, drag it slightly toward the center. This prevents important content from getting cut off when the dimensions change. Step 2 is accessing the actual Magic Resize feature. Look at the top toolbar and you'll see a button that says Resize. Click on that button and a drop-down menu appears with all the different format options. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll see categories like social media posts, social media stories, presentations, and print products. Step 3 is selecting your target formats. Instead of resizing to just one format, hold down the Command key on Mac or Control key on Windows and select multiple formats at once. I'm selecting Facebook post, LinkedIn post, Twitter post, and email header all at the same time. This is the game changer that most tutorials don't show you. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss our upcoming series on advanced Canva automation tricks. Now here comes step 4, and this is where the magic actually happens. Click the Resize button at the bottom of the menu. Canva's artificial intelligence analyzes your design and automatically creates optimized versions for each format you selected. But here's the crucial part most people don't understand. The AI doesn't just shrink or stretch your design. According to Canva's December 2024 documentation update, Magic Resize uses intelligent content analysis to determine which elements are most important and repositions them accordingly. Step 5 is the review process, and this is absolutely critical. Canva opens each resized version in a new tab. Don't just assume they're perfect. Click through each one and look specifically at text readability, image cropping, and element spacing. The AI gets it right about 80% of the time, but that 20% needs your human touch. Here's step 6 that separates beginners from pros. For any design that needs adjustment, use the Smart Crop feature. Click on any image that looks awkwardly positioned, and you'll see crop handles appear. But instead of manually dragging, click the Smart Crop button that appears. This uses facial recognition and subject detection to automatically reframe your images for maximum impact in the new dimensions. Step 7 involves text optimization. Click on any text element that looks cramped or poorly positioned. In the text formatting panel, you'll see a new option called Autofit. This automatically adjusts font size and line spacing to work perfectly within the new format constraints. Per Canva's latest feature rollout, Autofit now considers reading distance for different platforms, making text larger for mobile-viewed content and more compact for desktop formats. Step 8 is brand consistency checking. Open the Brand Kit panel on the left sidebar. Even after resizing, click Apply Brand Colors to ensure your color scheme remains consistent across all formats. Then click Apply Brand Fonts to maintain typography consistency. This step is crucial because different dimensions can sometimes shift your carefully chosen brand elements. Now let me share 3 pro tips that will make you a Magic Resize master. Pro tip number 1, create what I call anchor points. Before you resize, group your most important elements together. Select your logo, main headline, and key call to action button, then right-click and choose Group. This ensures these critical elements stay together and properly positioned across all formats. Pro tip number 2, use the advanced resize options. Click the 3 dots next to the resize button and select advanced options. Here you can set hierarchy rules, telling Canva which elements are most important and should never be cropped out. You can also set minimum text sizes to ensure readability across all formats. Pro tip number 3, save custom resize templates. After you've perfected a set of resized designs, click File, then Save as Template Set. This creates a custom template collection that maintains all your sizing and positioning preferences. According to recent user feedback on Canva's community forums, this feature alone saves power users an additional 15 minutes per project. Here's a bonus workflow tip that changes everything. Instead of starting with one format and resizing to others, start with the largest format you need, typically a Facebook cover or presentation slide. Then resize down to smaller formats. This prevents quality loss and gives Magic Resize more content to work with when optimizing layouts. The real power of Magic Resize isn't just time savings, it's consistency. Your brand message, visual hierarchy, and design quality remain professional across every single platform. No more rushed Twitter posts that look like afterthoughts or LinkedIn graphics that feel disconnected from your Instagram content. Remember, we're here to help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Magic Resize might seem like a simple feature, but mastering these advanced techniques transforms how efficiently you create content. Your designs will look more professional, your workflow becomes dramatically faster, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without these tricks. Subscribe for more game-changing tutorials that unlock the hidden potential in tools you use every day.